Welcome to the California Early Care and Education Workforce Registry tutorial on state reporting. This video is for California Department of Education, Early Education and Support Division, Quality Improvement, and First 5 Professional Development vendors. For quality improvement contractors, entering training data into the registry is required by the CDE. We will go over how to select program codes by event and participant, enter the vendor host, add non-enrolled attendees, confirm participant attendance, and run reports in the registry. We recommend that you watch the registry tutorial videos to connect reporting to the registry data collection system. To access the training sponsor tools, you will need to have submitted a training calendar application, be approved, and have staff with registry accounts using their work emails. See the overview video for instructions. Primary CDE First 5 California Program Code. The purpose of the CDE First 5 California Program Code is to be able to automate reporting, reducing the burden on training organizations. It also increases data available for state funders and provides real-time training data for trainees, their employers, and county administrators of California QRIS and other local initiatives. When entering a training, the drop-down menu in the Training Event Editor displays program codes affiliated with a training organization. From this drop-down menu, you will select one program code. For more details about entering a training, see the training calendar video. The program code should be chosen based on the program that needs to be reported and the intended audience, or who you predict will attend the training. Though not a required field, if you want your trainings to be reported, please be sure to enter your program code correctly. Edit the program code field in Event Management and click on View. CDE First 5 California Vendor Host. After selecting the program code, you will be asked, is there a CDE First 5 California vendor host? Next, a drop-down menu will allow you to select the vendor host. The vendor host field captures the collaboration between a primary organization or program and partner organizations that support the production of the training. The host data will enable organizations to track collaboration with quality improvement vendors and will include the number of attendees per training. Adding non-enrolled attendees. After a training has occurred, participants who enrolled through the training calendar will automatically show up here. Participants who attended but did not register for the training through the training calendar will need to be manually entered using Add Non-Enrolled Attendee. The next screen will prompt you to enter the participant's registry ID, which you will need to have collected on your training sign-in sheet. Participant Attendance Confirmation. For trainees who register through the training calendar, training organizations will need to confirm attendance. If you manually entered a participant, they will be marked as attended. If updating status by an individual, select Attended in the row next to the participant's name. The following screen will have an enrollment status drop-down menu where you can choose Withdrawn, No-Show, or Attended. Make sure to click Save Enrollment Status Info. Updating program code by participant. At the beginning of this tutorial, we discussed program coding from an event viewpoint. Selecting the CDE First 5 California Attendee Coding button allows you to assign attendee codes based on participant needs. Please note that in order to code by participant, you needed to select a primary CDE First 5 California funding code when you created the event, and the event has to have occurred. All participants will be automatically coded based on the selection you made when creating an event. In the second column, you can change program codes by participant. If there is no funding associated with the training, leave this field blank. The third column, CDE First 5 California Funding, contains the following fields: Fee for service, no funding specified, and CDE First 5 California funded. Fee for service refers to training or services that are above and beyond the level of service funded by CDE. This category is intended to capture data regarding unfunded need for California residents. If you have attendees at the training who are not funded by CDE First 5 California, you will change funding to No Funding Specified. By choosing this option, the training data is retained for your records, but the trainee will not appear on the Direct Service Profile Report. Training Sponsor Organization Reports. The reports in the registry include Events Offered Report, Demographics Summary Report, Event Feedback Report, Training Sponsor Data Export, Direct Service Profile Report, and Training Sponsor Hosting Activities. All reports export into Excel spreadsheets. The Demographics Summary Report lists each of your organization's trainings with participants' race or ethnicity, job title, education level, and whether the participant completed an evaluation on the registry. Event Feedback Report lists all trainings and evaluation data. Evaluations, which are scored by the average of responses, are sent to training participants after a training. The Training Sponsor Data Export Report is very similar to what will be aggregated and shared with the Child Development Training Consortium, also known as CDTC. The Direct Service Profile Report is an export of registry data in the required format by CDTC. You can run this report to check the information going to CDTC, which they report to CDE. The report can be filtered by training organization, date range, or by program code. The Training Sponsor Hosting Activities Report lists training organizations if other organizations have selected them as a vendor host for an event when collaborating on trainings. This report includes the dates of trainings, training names, and the number of confirmed attendees. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Our goal is to support you in using the registry. If you need additional support, go to caregistry.org to view additional tutorials or to contact us.